In this video, you'll learn how to draw on Notion using Excalidraw. This guide will take you through the steps required to create and embed your drawings directly into your Notion workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Notion. Once the page loads, ensure that you are logged into your account. This is essential for saving your work and accessing your personal Notion pages. Next, open Excalidraw in a new tab. You can do this by typing the Excalidraw URL into your browser's address bar. Allow the page to load fully before proceeding to ensure that all features are available for use. Once Excalidraw is open, locate and click on the pencil icon. This tool will be used for drawing. After clicking, you should see a cursor change indicating that you can now begin to draw on the canvas. Now, draw anything that comes to mind. Use the pencil to create your artwork. Take your time with this step, as this is where you express your creativity. Once you are satisfied with your drawing, look for the next option to share your work. After completing your drawing, click on the Share button located in the toolbar. This will open a menu with additional sharing options. Make sure to wait a moment for the menu to appear. Following this, select the Export a Link option from the shared menu. This will generate a link that allows you to share your drawing with others. This step is crucial for embedding the drawing into Notion. Next, click on Copy Link to save the generated link to your clipboard. This link will be used in Notion to embed your drawing. Ensure that you successfully copy the link before moving on. Now return to your Notion workspace. Switch back to the tab where you have Notion open. Once on the desired page, prepare to embed your drawing into the document. Type in /embed on the Notion page where you want the drawing to appear. This command will trigger the embed options. After typing, you should see a drop-down menu with embed options. Click on End from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open a new dialog box for you to enter the link. In the dialog box, click on Embed Link. Here, you will paste the link you copied from Excalidraw. Make sure to double check that the link is correct. After pasting the link, click on Embed Link, again to finalize the embedding process. This action will insert your drawing into the Notion page. To give your drawing a title, click on the title area that appears above the embedded drawing. This is where you can label your work for easy identification. Finally, type in a title such as My Draw to name your drawing. After entering your title, you should see it reflected above the embedded drawing. Your drawing is now successfully integrated into Notion.